The Governance MVP service tile is a short consultancy engagement designed for customers who have decided to go to Azure and they want to get it right first time, or maybe for customers who have moved to Azure but don't feel in control of things like costs and security. The Governance MVP is a two-step process. First, we sit down and engage your business through a series or a single workshop. It can take half a day, maybe it takes a few days to go through and understand your governance requirements. The second part is us really writing down and interpreting what you need from a governance framework from Azure. So we cover a few areas in terms of the policies and procedures. Firstly, we look at the resource organisation. How do we get consistency across projects? How do we organise things like subscriptions, management groups, and that whole hierarchy that's essential that you get right within Azure. The second area is costs. We need to make sure that we keep you in touch with the costs and the consumption within Azure, setting up alerting, creating dashboards, and we putting the right controls in place. Thirdly, we focus on security, making sure that your controls and the framework in Azure meets things, so it could be encryption, network design, specific appliances and filtering that we need within that environment, and policies with it built into Azure. And lastly, the last area is all about identity management, making sure that we know who is accessing your environment and the controls around ensuring that they are allowed to access the right resources in the right way. If you're looking to get started with a Governance MVP session today, then reach out to the team and we can organise a quick call to introduce you to our specialists. We can talk you through what the outcomes are, the documentation, and get you moving on that journey to a great governance experience in Azure today.